When was the last time you wore your shirt in a different style other than the usual tuck-in or button-up? Shirts, my friends, are more than just a wardrobe staple. They're one of the most versatile pieces of clothing in a woman's closet. The beauty of a shirt lies in its potential to create a myriad of looks, from classic and elegant to trendy and chic, all with just a few simple tweaks. Shirts can seamlessly transition from day to night, from casual to formal, and from office to a night out with friends. With their myriad colors, patterns, and styles, shirts are a canvas waiting for us to paint our fashion stories. It's high time we explore the potential of this timeless piece, breaking free from the norm and unlocking its versatility. Are you ready to step into a world where a single shirt can create 15 different looks? Ready to explore some creative and innovative ways to style your shirt? Stay tuned. First off, let's discuss how a shirt can be paired with a sweater or blazer. This combination is a secret weapon in any fashionista's arsenal, effortlessly merging comfort with style. Picture this: your favorite button-down shirt, perhaps in a crisp white or soft pastel, layered with a fitted sweater or blazer. The result? A look that is chic and casual, yet polished enough for semi-formal occasions. Pair this with high heels or pumps, and you've just elevated your style game. The key here is to let the shirt act as a base, while the sweater or blazer adds that extra layer of sophistication. You can play around with colors, patterns, and textures to create a look that's uniquely yours. So next time you're wondering how to add some flair to your outfit, remember this style tip. Now you have a stylish and comfortable look, perfect for semi-formal occasions. Want to add an extra layer of warmth and style to your shirt? Try pairing it with a tank top or t-shirt. This combination not only allows for an added layer of comfort, but it also creates a unique style that's suitable for a variety of settings. When you're going for a casual day out, layer a loose button-down shirt over a fitted tank top. This will give your outfit a relaxed vibe while still keeping it stylish. If you want to make a statement, experiment with contrasting colors or patterns. For a more formal setting, consider layering a structured shirt over a fitted t-shirt. Choose a shirt in a neutral color and a t-shirt with a higher neckline for a sophisticated look. Remember, the key is to balance the looseness of the shirt with the fitted silhouette of the tank top or t-shirt. With this style, you have an easy way to elevate your casual shirt look. Looking for something unique? Let's explore some other ways to style your shirt. First off, how about combining your shirt with a stylish sweatshirt? This is a great way to achieve a trendy and comfortable look. You could opt for a casual appearance with a crisp white shirt under a cool graphic sweatshirt, or go for a dressed-up look with a sleek button-down paired with a chic, solid-colored sweatshirt. Finish off this style with some heels or your favorite pair of sneakers, and you've got an outfit that's effortlessly fashionable. Next, let's delve into the art of knotting a loose shirt. This is a fantastic way to create a laid-back vibe that doesn't compromise on style. Start with a loose, oversized shirt and knot it at the front to create a flattering silhouette. Tuck it into high-waisted skirts or pants, or add a belt to cinch the waist. This style is perfect for those casual days when you want to look effortlessly chic. Lastly, consider layering a hoodie over your shirt. This provides both warmth and a casually stylish look. Choose a shirt in a contrasting color to your hoodie for a pop of visual interest. Pair an oversized hoodie with a fitted women's shirt for a look that's comfortably trendy. Complete the ensemble with a pair of sneakers or your favorite boots, and you're ready to take on the day. These shirt styles are suitable for a variety of occasions and settings. Whether you're heading out for a casual day of errands, meeting friends for coffee, or even going to a casual workplace, these styles provide an easy way to look put together and fashionable. These unique shirt styles are not only comfortable but also trendy and versatile. They offer a multitude of ways to express your style and personality, while also providing practical solutions for those days when you're not sure what to wear. So don't be afraid to experiment with your shirts and transform them into fashionable pieces that express your unique style. Remember, your shirt style is also influenced by what you pair it with. Let's consider some options. First off, pairing a shirt with a skirt can open up a world of possibilities. For a chic, elegant look, try a solid color shirt with a long skirt. Accessorize with simple earrings to accentuate the outfit. If you're feeling bold, experiment with patterns and prints. A short shirt can look particularly striking when paired with a patterned skirt. Next, consider the timeless classic, a button-down shirt with jeans. This combination is not just comfortable, but also effortlessly stylish. Accessorize with statement jewelry to add a personal touch. Depending on the occasion, you can opt for flats for a laid-back look or heels for a more polished feel. Now, let's talk about formal pants. For those professional settings or formal events, shirts paired with classic formal pants can create an elegant and sophisticated look. To enhance the outfit, consider a tailored blazer or a bold necklace. Don't forget those chic earrings. Finally, let's not forget about shorts. When the weather gets warm, there's nothing more comfortable than a light shirt paired with shorts. Whether you opt for denim or high-waisted shorts, this combination creates a cute, chic summer style. Complete the look with sneakers and a stylish handbag. As you can see, pairing shirts with different bottoms can drastically change the overall style of your outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or dressing down for a casual day out, there's a shirt and bottom combination that will work for you. Remember, the key to a great outfit is not just the individual pieces, but also how you combine them. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations and accessories. From casual to formal, these combinations provide endless opportunities to express your creativity. Ready for something out of the box? Let's talk about innovative layering. For a fresh take on the classic shirt, why not try layering it under a dress? It's a unique style that adds depth and complexity to your outfit, perfect for those who like to push the boundaries of fashion. Start with a simple shirt, preferably white or light-colored, and layer it under a sleeveless dress. The result? A casual, preppy look that's great for the office or a laid-back weekend outing. Now, let's switch gears to the boho style. The boho look is all about comfort and free-spirited fashion. A loose, flowy shirt in earthy tones or floral prints is your starting point. Pair it with distressed jeans or a maxi skirt, add some chunky jewelry, and you've nailed the boho chic look. It's perfect for casual outings, music festivals, or just a day out with friends. With these innovative layering ideas, you can create unique and stylish looks. Now that we've explored various ways to style a shirt, let's recap. To begin with, never underestimate the power of layers. Pairing your shirt with a sweater or blazer can create a semi-formal look that's perfect for the office or a casual outing. Alternatively, layering a tank top or t-shirt under your shirt adds not only warmth but also a touch of elegance to your ensemble, suitable for both casual and formal settings. Next, we delved into the world of unique shirt styles. For a chic yet comfortable look, consider pairing your shirt with a stylish sweatshirt. If you're feeling adventurous, why not a loose shirt for a laid-back stylish vibe? Or perhaps layer a hoodie over your shirt for a casually stylish ensemble that's also wonderfully warm. We also discussed how to pair shirts with different bottoms. Whether it's a timeless combination of a shirt and jeans or a more formal pairing with classic pants, the options are endless. And let's not forget about the cute summer style you can create by pairing your shirt with shorts. Innovative shirt layering was another key point we covered. Layering a shirt under a sleeveless dress can create a preppy look that's perfect for the office, while a simple boho shirt style can add a unique twist to your wardrobe. And finally, remember that fashion is all about expressing your individuality. So don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns, colors, and combinations to discover your own unique shirt style. Whether you're heading to work, a date, or a casual hangout, these simple tips can transform any shirt into a conversation starter. With these styling tips, you can now transform your simple shirt into a fashion statement. Go ahead, experiment, and discover your unique shirt style. We hope you've enjoyed our guide on 15 creative ways to style women's shirts. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button to let us know. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments section. What's your favorite shirt style? Do you have any unique ways of styling your shirts that you'd like to share with our community? Remember, your input can inspire others on their fashion journey. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more fashion tips and guides. We regularly share a wide range of styling ideas to help you express your unique personality through your wardrobe. Thank you for watching. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So, Go ahead and experiment with these styles.
In the world of
Happy
fashion,
styling.
trends are ever-changing, styles are continually evolving, and the quest to look your best never ends. And that's why we're here, to guide you through the labyrinth of fashion. If you found value in our video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Your feedback is our lifeline, so don't hesitate to drop a comment below. What fashion tips or trends would you like us to delve into next? Your suggestions drive our content, making this not just our channel, but your channel. Let's make fashion accessible to everyone, one video at a time. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and join our fashion-forward community. Together, we can take the fashion world by storm. Remember, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. So let your style do the talking. Until next time, stay chic, stay fabulous, and as always, keep it stylish.